Welcome back to Everything's Funny at 3 a.m. My name is Yawg. Well, last time we started off Chapter 3 with a bang. Had some weird-looking dude start shouting author names and firing bullets at me. So let's see what else happens. Oh, there's another flare. They are looking in the direct wrong area for me. Hey, no, the area is way the fuck down there, guys. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Darkness is coming. Guys, don't follow me. Stop it, guys. Seriously. That's not good. Guys. Yeah. Yeah, guys, don't be there. Dude, Satan wants my nuts, guys. You do not want to get in between me and the Dark Lord. What? These fuckers don't have flashlights, too? What's going on here? Well, shit. Come on, come on. Ah, damn it.
Everywhere I went, circling me. The cops didn't stand a chance.
Why?
They were after a writer, not a monster.
I do not get this. Oh, yeah. Of course it's Wake. How many deputies do you have, woman? Jesus. Hey. This is Kashmir. Too bad she doesn't have her jump to conclusions, Matt. Then it won't bite her in the ass. It may, make her fall and, break her ass, but shouldn't bite her there. Let's keep going. Come on. Chop, chop, chop. Run, Alan. Apparently you are the Uber killer man that the FBI is worried about. Oh, shit. Are you fucking shitting me? Oh, that thing is gonna get ate so bad. Hey guys, how's it going? Whoa, bitch! This is not how you get somebody to fucking... Uh-oh. You know what? I don't even feel sorry for you bitches anymore. No. Fuck you. Yeah, let the birds kill them. Dicks. Mr. Wake, we need you to surrender. Bam! Keep surrendering. Bam! This is not how the FBI is supposed to do things. That was an FBI helicopter too, so what the hell did I do? Ha ha! Losers. Yeah, you fuckers deserve that shit. I want to bask in that a little bit. Let's put a quarter into this. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That was deserved. Fuck you assholes. Anything else going on? Nothing going down on the road. A nice little texture mapping over there. Look at that. Very nice. All the way back out. See anything else? No. And I think my quarter just ran out. Okay. Alright, next one. Nope. What else is in here? Ooh, hey, a radio. Push the button. Jesus Christ. They didn't put up a no fight at all. Losers.
Sit down and give me that. Jane, Mulligan here. Over.
Hey, what's up, James?
Go ahead,
Mulligan.
over. We got Wheeler and Rose here. Wheeler's drunk or hopped up on something. Speaking of which, that Fed had a pretty distinctive whiff of Otis.
Great. Some alcoholic federal marshal shooting at my ass.
I don't have anything on that, Deputy Mulligan.
You don't have anything on what, dipshit?
Well, whatever. Anyway, Rose is just being plain weird here. You better get Doc in to take a look at both.
Hey, maybe check the coffee, huh? Can we check the coffee?
Better get them here quickly. The Fed's gonna want to interview Wheeler. Over.
Yeah, sure he is.
Oh yeah, I'll bet he does. Looks like they have a lot in common. Mulligan out.
Lot in common with the what? The alcohol or the... I mean, you don't even know what he's on. And the fact that he's passed out, I mean, that really doesn't have anything to do with anything. Oh, hey, door over there. All right, let's see what else is going on this way. Oh.
I could see the lights at the radio station in the distance.
So that's what that was. I was afraid it was another gas station. I'm like, no, don't make me go to the gas station again. I don't want to go to the gas station. Yeah, down. Yeah. Alright. Anything I need to do over here? No, I guess not. Let's move. Let's roll.
I imagine that the broadcast tower in the distance was part of the local radio station.
Really?
Maine seemed like a decent guy. Perhaps he could give me directions to the coal mine.
Why do I need to go to the coal mine? Am I meeting up? Oh, that's right. I'm supposed to be meeting up somewhere with the coal mine. Oh, that's not an ominous ass gate. Oh shit! That's a really fucking ominous ass gate now. Huh?
Unnatural shadows clung to the gate. The darkness that was after me was trying to stop me. I wouldn't
Why?
go through without a fight.
It wants me to fucking do shit, right? Yeah, let's
There was no power to the searchlight.
Can I fiddle it? Fuck. Oh, what's up over here? Did I do anything on this? Nope. Alright, whatever. Okay, searchlight. Looks like, okay. Yep. There we go. Wow, this thing just shimmies and shakes all over the place. Alrighty, so let's go over here. Turn on the light. Aim the light down at the thing. There we go.
The old generator conked out. I'd have to see if I could fix it and try again.
Okay. That's not an artificial ploy to lengthen the game. Nope, here we go. Well, thank God for that. Ugh. Boom, and fried. Awesome. Oh shit. So basically anything I fuck around with just dies. Apparently I can kill fucking metal gates and shit too. Oh, good times. And let's see, looks like another place where I can fall on my ass. Is that me? Yeah, okay, that's me. Okay, this is ominous as fuck. Oh, another fucking, really, guys? What was that? What? Okay. Okay. Wasn't freaky at all. Jesus Christ. Oh, is it that? God, I hope that's all it was. What the hell? You kept doing like the bad dudes are coming out of me thing each time, or after me thing each time. Oh. God damn.
The flashbang grenades. They were an ideal weapon for my situation.
Really? Okay, so these work the same way as the flares. I've got flashbangs now, Sheriff Baker. Oh, you did. How many dudes did you have, girl? Because apparently a skinny-ass writer took them all the fuck out. If you want to believe Nightingale, who is fucking insane, basically. Wow. That just went all over the damn place. Damn! Did I get them all? Oh, good. I did. Awesome. Yeah, I don't need to deal with y'all shit. Let myself just get healed up a smidge. I wonder if it's really windy out here. Or if it's just like, it's shadows. Woo. I'm sitting here just like, huh. It's a really nasty, humid night. Ah, god damn it. Keep going. Keep running. Keep running. Keep running. Whew. Well, that was interesting. Now, let's get me some more flashbangs.
And here's another call. You're on KBFFM with Pat Maine.
What you got to say, Pat?
Hey, buddy, Pat. What's on your mind, Milt?
Well, thanks, Bill.
Well, I live near the trailer park
There's a
Just up the
big
road from
ruckus?
me, too. What's going on, do you know?
I don't know, but there's a bunch of police cars there, lots of sirens, helicopter buzzing around, and I think...
Minions of the evil Dark Lord destroying the hell out of our civic protectors?
Like from a pistol. So can you find out
From a pistol?
Because it's just next door, and they're popping off guns there.
They're still shooting?
I guess so. It sounded like they switched up to heavier ammo.
Serious, Pat. I'm telling you, it don't sound like no party.
Don't sound like no party up there. Sounds like more of a civic dispute.
Okay.
You'll hear it here as soon as I hear from them.
Okay, thanks.
Because, you know, that's what we do. We don't call the police to find out what the hell's going on. It sounds like people shooting off guns. No, we, Oh, there's some paper. Fucking just... Oop. This looking like an ambush. Hey, look, I'm right. I love it when I'm right. What? No! Damn it. I'm gonna get my ass beat. Did I get him? All of them? Fuck you! God damn. Next. Alright, so... Alright, dude's coming out of nowhere, and... That should have been able to take them all. Ooh. Boom, bitches. What? Alan Wake style. Alan Wake does it with the lights turned on, ladies. Just so you know. And he does it when his wife is missing too, so, you know, he's available-ish. Let's see what else is going on over here. Anything that I can pick up from this little... Can it go up? No? Awesome. Wow. Huh. Good times. Good. More dudes? More... oh, the darkness. Darkness is back. I don't know. I don't like it. I don't like it. It's scary. Ah, more dudes. More dudes. Awesome. Huh. Woohoo! Second. Did I get him? Got him. You cannot defeat my running and then throwing a fucking grenade at myself. Never expected that now, did you, bitches? Huh. Well, that's... Okay, that's no good. They got him? They got them all? Hey, it did. Awesome. Oop, more flashbangs. Thank God they're all standing up there. What, more? More dudes? Is there another guy? No? Okay, good. Oof. Well, there's the lights of the radio station. Maybe I can get over there real quick. Woohoo! I guess that's how Alan Wake rolls. Constantly blind yourself. Alright, and we are getting up to radio station. Good. Welcome back to 98.6, the good feeling place. Oh shit, it did work. At least I still got 5 flashbangs. God damn it. Should have saved some more of those. Probably could have just gone up here and just opened it. That would have been fucking hilarious.
I hope Maine could lend me a car to get to the coal mine.
I wonder if Maine can lend me a car to get to the coal mine. God, I hope so. But I think, yes, I do feel it. I don't know, can you feel it? Can you feel it? There's something calling in the air tonight. I don't know what it is, but perhaps, maybe, just maybe we can find out what it is next time at Everything's Funny at 3 a.m., where we continue on with some more Alan Wake. Hope to see you there.